This is Novo 23 Up iChannel. We are here at Orlando Stadium, Orlando Pirates 2, Magesi FC 1. Bujunjan. Sharp, thanks. Yeah. Welcome back.
We've never gone away. The first half, like 5.
Exactly.
Chipers, I think, is a good goalkeeper. You cannot take that away from him. But first half, we had it in control. And the coach was saying, man, the coach is brave. I'm a player who ngendlela yokuthi uyazi ukuthi lama player azowenzani and uyababona bonke la bangena nge instruction ukuthi mangifika lapha egroundini this is what I'm going to do.
Exactly.
And it makes soccer exciting because I'm learning from this coach as a soccer fanatic. I think this guy bambiza ngama plumber uprove abantu wrong and I like it because
week in week out.
Abantu abacava idisk abazobukela ibhola stadium even the TV you are seeing the marvel of what this guy is doing in training together. Singamyeki put mandla the assistant coach.
Yes.
It shows you ukuthi abantu lento abayenzayo bayayazi and bayithanda and siyayibonga. Ama player we Pirates khona manje akekho iplayer elingafuni uphakamisa isandla because the coach lena I'm sure batshela ukuthi mina abafethu ngizofaka umuntu engemfakayo. There's no favoritism. Max Kishin uyayazi bhuti. Max Kishin. Yeah. Yilebe sibukele namhlanje. Phela ufake uShenko, wafaka chef phela nayo Shenko. Wafaka ne-master chef, iboza yama chef. Ngapha bekunotito. So la abafethu yabona noma sekungathiwani bantu bathini Pirates dlala ibhola lemnandi. You enjoy football mobukele Orlando Pirates. The money is worth what you are watching Mozilla. Angeke ukhala. I mean na Saturday sibone umhlola from 3 abafethu mina ngisukela ngena stress ngena hliziyo ebuhlungu because we're watching proper football.
Exactly. What's your take on these boys Danson and Undaba? Even Nemtanjela
abafethu angithi that's why yabona mangiphuma la mangicabanga ekhanda lami ukuthi ngizothini ngiba confused angazi ukuthi ngizothini ngizocala kuphi because lentwana lena njengoba bayifakile akuna player as I'm saying akuna player le Pirates elingenayo elifika lingaphakamisa isandla nemthejela nalentwana le abafethu come on it's into esifunayo from footballers ukuthi mawunika i-chance show them le coaching izoba ne-headache abana futhi mangeke abe nama-injury angazi uzenza njani na Saturday nje starting lineup is gonna prove again to us ukuthi what the coach ihlakaniphe kangakanani.
Ngimangele ibeke uHoto for the first time in a very long time.
Namisho ngathi idlozi le Pirates liyangena ngisho kanjalo. Nali idlozi le Pirates liyangena. Mara into emnandi ukuthi nalomuntu abamfakile espacing sakhe
akubonakalanga ukuthi
noma bamkhipha
mina ngimbone ese-warm up
ukuthi akekho manje
people who don't know football they don't know Orlando Pirates.
It's so into emnandi ngokuthi uHoto njengoba naye no akuna difference. It's like for like midfielder like for like master chef noma ngenile uShenko uDlamini I man bafethu no yazini I'm lost for words ukujabula lokho sikubukelayo webhola edlalwa Orlando Pirates bafethu take nothing away from ilentuzana team yabo Chipezeze necoach yabo. You know me, I admire South African coaches because I think they are one of the brilliant coaches abadlalayo. The team tried second half especially noma substitute awenzile and then they could play ball and kunamagoli ayi2 phela ashayipana exactly I came ila kaChipezeze la ngayi just ukuthatha yena lo ngada uyayibona so amagoli awangeni because first half le ball leli phela amagoli bewangangeni
big time
so I think for me, it was a beautiful game to watch, and it's something to marvel because at least in my case now, it showed bravery. It showed bravery in terms of saying, Pirates imnandi but not so dlala. i-riding bengahlela ngemuva
Exactly, yeah, they
they
push.
park the bus they were
Exactly,
playing
yeah.
soccer and that's what I'm saying to you abo Joy nama-coach ahlakaniphile they know how to read the game they know how to make sure ukuthi kudlalwe ibhola and we watch soccer.
Perfect. Thanks, for congratulations and all the best to the semi-finals.
Thank you so much.
Each other.